Hello everyone, it's me Liz, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to check if your iPhone is original or not in 2024. So your iPhone can be refurbished sometimes even if you pay for the original one. So today we're gonna check if your iPhone is original or not. So the first step you want to do is go to your settings, then scroll a little down to general, click on it, then click on about, and here you can see your serial number. Copy the serial number. After it is copied, I want you to go to your browser and then search for check coverage Apple, and then click on the first link that pops up. Here they will ask for your serial number, so just paste it here and just write in the characters for verification purposes, QGHG, then submit. Then here you can see if your coverage is here or not, and you can see my phone name, that is iPhone 13 Pro, and when it was purchased. So the next step what I want to do is go back to your phone application, then type in hash #06 hash, and then your device info will pop up, and there you can see your IMEI, your serial number. There are multiple of them, so you can also check from this method as well. So then you can go to your IME.info. First what I need to do is I'll take a screenshot of it and then copy the IME number. Then I'll go back to Google again. Then this time I will type in IMEI info. Then click on this link. Then enter my IMEI. So their captcha comes up. Click on all the mechanical objects. Next. So let's check and see. As you can see, it's an iPhone 13 Pro Apple, and it's the same IMEI number. So this is the way where you can see how to check if your iPhone is original or not. If these steps also don't help you, then you can write your problems in the comment box below and we'll try to solve it as soon as possible. So these are the simple steps that you can follow to check if your iPhone is refurbished or original. It's me, Lee, signing off. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching.